Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate Rakhi. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need about 100 grams of good quality chocolate, which can be dark, milk, or white, depending on your preference. Also, prepare some small silicone molds. Festive shapes work wonderfully. Don't forget your decorative elements like edible glitter or sprinkles. And of course, the Rakhi threads themselves, each about 12 inches long. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's melt the chocolate. You can use a double boiler for gentle heating, or a microwave, heating in 30-second bursts and stirring well after each. The goal is a perfectly smooth, lump-free consistency. Once melted, carefully pour the chocolate into your silicone molds. Fill them about 3/4 full. This leaves space for your beautiful decorations and ensures the Rakhi isn't too thick. This is where the fun begins. While the chocolate is still wet in the molds, quickly add your edible glitter, sprinkles, or small candies. Be creative and make each one unique. Next, gently press one end of a Rakhi thread into the back of each chocolate, ensuring it's embedded securely. Once decorated, transfer your molds to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm and pops out easily. Once your chocolate Rakhis are perfectly set, carefully pop them out of their molds. They should release quite easily. If there are any rough edges, you can gently trim them for a cleaner look. Now, take the two ends of the Rakhi thread and tie them together, forming a secure loop. Your delicious, handmade chocolate Rakhis are now complete. Store them in an airtight container in a cool, dry place until you're ready to celebrate. Enjoy this sweet gesture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.